You are welcome once again to our channel. We are going to be solving this question. So the examiner asks us to integrate Euler raised to the power of x multiplied by 3, Euler raised to the power of x minus 2, all raised to the power of 2. So we are going to be using substitution method once again for this very question. And we are going to say let our u, you can use any letter of your choice, to be equal to what we have here inside this bracket, which is going to be 3 Euler raised to the power of x minus 2. So we are going to differentiate this very one. So our du dx now, okay, is going to give us, of course this minus is going to give us 0. But in this case, let's just come and let me show us something. This is actually a typical product rule, okay, when we are differentiating, and it's going to be, let me just show it because I don't want to just write it down so that we will not feel what has happened. So what we normally do in product rule is we normally have 1, then we add, then we differentiate the rest. So for example, if I'm leaving my 3 and I want to differentiate my Euler, I'm going to have it like this, then plus, I'm going to now leave the Euler and then differentiate my 3. This is what normally happens. So in this case, you see that if we differentiate a constant, you're going to have 0. So the whole of this side is going to give us 0. But in this case, I'm going to have 3. Now to differentiate the Euler, I differentiate the power. The power of this is, which is 1. Okay. Then I rewrite the expression. Then multiply the expression by log of the base, which is e, in this case Euler. So please watch our video regarding this this particular way of differentiating this Euler function constant. So please, it's going to help us. So if I do this, what I've actually got is still 3e raised to the power of x. So that means my du is now equals to 3 Euler raised to the power of x dx, and my dx is equals to du, all divided by 3 Euler raised to the power of x. So coming to the question, we have the question to be Euler raised to the power of x. Now instead of me to write this, I'm going to write u squared because I've already defined and instead of putting my dx now, it's now going to be du, all divided by 3 Euler raised to the power of x. So this is going to cancel this. They have 1 over 3 here, so let me bring the 1 over 3 out. Okay, now the 1 over 3 is out. I'm now left with my u squared du. Right, so we integrate this now. I'm going to have 1 over 3. Of course, I'm going to add 1 to this power, so I'm going to have 3 divided by 3 and plus c. Okay, so finally I'm going to have it to be 1 over 9. Okay, then I have my Euler, my u, and my u has been defined already to be 3 Euler raised to the power of x minus 2, then raised to the power of 3 now, then plus c as our final answer. I believe this is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.